Welcome to our STA 2023 Elementary Statistics online course. I am your instructor, Awilda Lopez. Here is my email address, and my physical office is on the South Lake campus in Claremont for Lake Sumter State College. We officially start our course next Monday, August 22nd, and the last day of our course is officially on December 10th. However, you will have the opportunity to complete the course as early as December 4th if you choose to do so by working a little bit faster toward the end of the semester. We are going to be using the Canvas online learning platform for our course. There are two ways to get to Canvas. One is to go to the Lake Sumter State College website using a computer and any web browser. Then you're going to go to the My LSSC button, use your login credentials assigned to you by the college, and then you're going to access an additional menu on the top left corner to then click on the Canvas option. The other way to get to Canvas is to go directly to the URL lssc.instructure.com and logging in using your college assigned credentials from there. Here are some pictures to demonstrate that first option, which is a little bit longer, a few more clicks here and there. Again, the second option is to go directly to the lssc.instructure.com URL, and it will get you to the same location. Now, this is an asynchronous course. What that means is that we do not have any meeting times where we need to all be available at the same time. All the materials will be available to you on the first day of the course, and you will be working through the course content on your own time. It is not a self-paced course. There are due dates throughout the semester, but between each of those due dates, you do have the flexibility to complete the course on your own time, whether that be during traditional daylight hours in the middle of the night, 5 hours on one day, 2 hours on the next. You're going to structure your time according to your own personal schedule. However, on the first day of class on Monday, we all need to log in to Canvas and to access our course from the dashboard in Canvas to begin working in the course immediately. You'll see that there's a Start Here section in our Canvas course, and it will take you through several activities so that you become familiar with the course structure, the course policies, the expectations, the requirements, and help you connect to My Stat Lab, which is where all the content for this statistics course lies. Once you get through the Start Here section, you're going to begin working on your week 1 assignments and activities. Week 1 does begin this Monday, August 22nd. So even though you have quite a bit to do through the Start Here orientation, you are expected to work through the week 1 material as well. Those assignments will be due at the end of next week. What do you need for this course? Well, you will need a My Stat Lab access code, which is available through the Lake Sumter State College bookstores on any campus, or you can also purchase it online via a link that is provided within our Canvas course. This access code is everything. It includes the electronic version of our textbook, and we will be using Elementary Statistics by Triola, 14th edition. Copyright year is 2022. It includes PowerPoint presentations, video lectures, ways to manipulate data, lots of different resources for students. And it also will take you to your homework assignments, your quizzes, and your tests. So that access code basically is your door to the content of this statistics course. You also will need a graphing calculator. The recommended models are either the Texas Instruments 83 or 84 models. Those come in a lot of different versions. There's the basic version, plus, silver, etc. Any version will do. For the purposes of our course, the basic versions will suffice. They are a little pricier, although the prices have come down over the years. There is a more affordable alternative. It's the TI-36X Pro. You'll notice the third picture on this screen, it has a smaller window, so it's not considered to be a graphing calculator, but it will do almost all of the calculations that we need for this course. There will be a couple of times where it will be a little bit more tedious to use, but it does come at a substantially lower cost than the other two calculators. You also will need an external webcam. Obviously, a good working computer is a must. You need to have a computer that has not been giving you problems, that charges easily, that has pretty good processing speed, that allows you to be heard. So it does have to have audio capability. But you also will need an external webcam. It cannot be a camera that's integrated within your computer or device, although they will come standard with your device. That's not going to be sufficient. We need an external webcam for this course, one that you can hold in your hand and that you can point in any direction. And the reason is we will be taking our tests online, and for us to be able to proctor your test taking correctly, we need to be able to see your entire workspace. We need to see where your hands are, which papers you're using. We need to see everything around you. And so having that external webcam is the only way that we can monitor your workspace while you're working on your computer. So you see here that it is a completely separate device. It is not integrated in your computer. Luckily, these are not very pricey. But you may need to go ahead and either go to the store or order one online because it may take a little while for you to get it in the mail or to find one at a store. And we will need one as early as your first test, which will be upon us very quickly. Finally, I just want to say that I'm looking forward to a great semester with you. Learning online comes with its own set of challenges. However, it does give us the great gift of flexibility. And I've taken many online courses myself, both when I was in college and then, of course, after college. I've continued to take courses to expand my knowledge base and get new skills. So I'm very familiar with online learning from the student perspective as well. I know that I prefer it because of my schedule, so it definitely comes with a lot of benefits, but it does come with its own challenges. So please be proactive in managing your time so that the course can be enjoyable, the course can be to your benefit, so that you can walk away with lots of skills. This is one of the best courses in college, in my opinion, and certainly my favorite to teach because it is so applicable to so many parts of our lives and the world. So I look forward to connecting with you next Monday, and we will embark on an adventure together then. Take care.